Hi everyone, my name is Aparna Bhatia and this week's tech tip is about how to add users and feature seats to your ONYX account. So first things first, we'll go into onyxweb.com and go ahead and log into our account here. If you already have a username and password, go ahead and log in with that. If you purchased a seat, you may have been invited to an account. In that case, you may need to sign up for your ONYX account. Okay, so we'll go ahead and sign in here. So once you sign in, you'll be taken to your account. In this case, I have my training account over here to showcase. On the left side, you'll see users. So we're going to go ahead and click on users. Then you'll see two options underneath, manage users and manage feature seats. So let's go ahead and add in users first. So let's click on manage users. And in here, you'll see that if you were set up as account admin, your name and everything already shows up in here. You will notice that you are assigned account admin, and you will be able to see if you have access to a Revit Upload Center. So be able to upload panels from Revit using a Revit Upload Center. And then the other option is if you have an option to use ONYX Web or ONYX Core, as we call it. At the top here, you'll be able to see the total number of seats that you've purchased. So for your one ONYX license, you'll get 3 ONYX Cores and 1 Revit Upload Center. Okay. And then it'll also show you how many are remaining. So if I have already activated Revit Upload Center for myself, and I know I'm the one who's going to be uploading panels from Revit into ONYX, then I will make sure that feature is activated for that one person only. So that's basically how that's set up. In this case, I want to go ahead and invite my colleague to this account. So I'm going to go ahead and type in their email address. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and hit save. And once it completes, it's going to say user has been invited to show that it's been successful. And then there you go. You can see them over here. If they've already had an ONYX account, you'll notice that their name populates automatically. And when they created their account, shows up here. And then over here, you'll also be able to see the features you can activate for them. So if you would like them to have all the permissions of an admin, feel free to assign them as admin. You can have as many people as admin in your account. For the Revit Upload Center, since we only have a single seat, you'll notice that we have 0 seats remaining. So if Michael's going to be the one that's going to be uploading panels, I will deactivate it for myself and I'll activate it for him so that he can upload the panels to ONYX whenever he needs to using the Revit Upload Center. So he will be the only one who has access to do that. And then ONYX Core so that he can come in here and work within ONYX with us as well. You'll see this little pencil here. With this pencil, you can also change permissions. So if he's not admin, you'll notice that the pencil shows up. If you do assign admin, that pencil goes away. So we can give them permissions for giving them the ability to add a project. You can give them the ability to be a project user so they can actually see CNC, material reports, and fun things like that. You can allow them to archive a project. So if a project's completed, they can archive it for you. You can allow them to add report templates, label configurations, and so on and so forth. Certain users, you may not want to give all the abilities to them. You could maybe say, okay, now we have one person who's setting up the projects and everything. This person being added is only a project user. So you can set those up as well. So for Michael, I'll give him all the power for this. Now, you'll notice that your machine's not showing up here. And that is because that's a feature that you're adding. You could have 1 machine, 2 machines, 6 machines. It's going to be a little hard to populate all of those here. So instead, what we've done is we've set up something called Manage Feature Seats. The feature is basically the machine that you have. In my case, we have the Beck, BTL, Howick, multifunction bridge, and Weinman machines. So I'm going to go ahead and go into Howick. It will tell you the total number of seats you have for Howick and how many are remaining, similar to how we had it for the users. And in here, if I want Michael to be able to set up CNC machines and also to download like the reports, sorry, the CSVs for Howick, I will activate this feature for him. So then he will actually be able to go to CNC machines and activate the features and enable new machines or create new machine types if needed. And that's pretty much it. So once we do this, Michael will now have access to go ahead into CNC machines and create the different types that we need to in here. Okay, that's it for this week's tech tip. Have a great day.